Welcome to the world of crochet. In this beginner's tutorial, we'll learn the basic stitches and techniques to get you started on your crochet journey. Let's begin by learning the foundation chain stitch. This is the starting point for most crochet projects. Now that you've mastered the foundation chain stitch, let's move on to the single crochet stitch. This stitch is commonly used in many crochet patterns. Next, we'll learn the double crochet stitch. This stitch is taller than the single crochet and creates a looser fabric. Now that you know the basic stitches, let's practice combining them to create different patterns and textures. In addition to stitches, it's important to learn how to read crochet patterns. They provide instructions on stitch placement and pattern repeats. As you gain more experience, you can explore advanced techniques like colorwork, lace crochet, and amigurumi. With practice and patience, you'll be able to create beautiful crochet projects of your own. So grab your yarn and hook, and let's get crocheting.